Hi there, are you someone who has made resolutions or promises to yourself to start taking better care of your body, but has let things slip down the priority list? Well, it's never too late to start. In fact, the sooner you make a commitment to your health, the easier it will be to stick with it. So, what can you do to start taking care of your body today? Here are a few ideas. Additives is a field of study that explores how our bodies function and how we can improve our health through understanding and manipulating our physical environment. Our bodies are designed to function optimally in a specific environment. The physical environment includes our living space, our diet, and our daily activities. Our body responds to these environmental factors in different ways. For example, our bodies are designed to digest food and absorb nutrients efficiently in an environment that is slightly acidic. Therefore, alkalizing our diet and living space can help improve our overall health. Our body is also designed to rest and recover during the day, allowing us to perform better during the night. This is why it's important to create a sleep-friendly environment, such as keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Additionally, our daily activities can impact our health. For instance, prolonged sitting can increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. Therefore, it's important to incorporate physical activity into our daily routine. Whether it's through work, exercise, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Overall, body science is all about understanding our bodies and how they function in different environments to improve our overall health and well-being. 1. Get enough sleep. Your body needs rest to function properly, so make sure you're getting at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night. This will help you feel more energized and ready to tackle the day ahead. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Make sure you're fueling your body with nutritious foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce inflammation, and boost your immune system. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining good health. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water each day, and avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it can also improve your mental health and overall well-being. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Even a short walk or a few minutes of stretching can make a big difference.